Okay, in this session I'm going to show you how to create a DAC Express price file to be used with DAC Express pricing. Okay, basically what you need to do is you need to go to the Other Functions menu. That's option 10 from the main screen. So we'll go 10. And we're going to go to the Other Operations 2 menu, which is 19. And finally, you'll see an option Work with DAC Express Users, 10. Once you're here, you can actually see the ones that are currently set up with pricing. And so what we need to do is press F10 to add a new one. After pressing F10, you'll get to a Add New DAC Express User screen. If you know the customer number, you would enter the customer number in. This would create a customer pricing file. Or if you wanted to create a sales rep, you would tab down and enter the sales rep number. Again, it should always be 0 filled, so if the sales rep number is 03, then put in 03. In our case, it's sales rep 45. We'll hit enter, and we'll hit confirm, yes. And it's asking us, do we want to include only active customers, meaning customers that have bought from this sales rep in a certain number of days. I think it's like 60 days, 180 days. Anyway, it's a certain amount of days. And what this does is if you say yes, only active, it's going to exclude the ones that have not bought from them within that time. And that keeps the price file small enough and relevant enough, I guess. So if, obviously you would change it to no or blank if you knew that maybe this customer didn't have, or this sales rep didn't have any customers. It's a new sales rep or whatever, you would probably want to leave it blank. But in any case, yes is usually how we like you to set it up. Otherwise, it may take a long time to run on your system. But again, the device code is the device code that you're going to set up in DAC Express pricing. Basically, you're allowed to choose A to Z, 0 through 9. It's a one character field here. In most cases, you'll want to set it up as an A. Some customer or some people set up C for customer installs and A for sales rep installs. But there's so many different ways that you can do it. Just pick one. Doesn't really matter. Anyway, once you're done with that, we're going to hit enter. Hit the enter key and click Y to confirm. And now notice you have the 45 Harlan sales rep added. We can see over here that the qualifying customers there are 4, and the qualifying Joey's is 18 and Sam has 9. If this number is reasonable and you feel like maybe you can go back and say, okay, well, let's go ahead and include all assigned customers, you can do that as well by editing it. So when you go back in to edit it, you can actually just change it here to say no, I want to include even non-active customers. And notice down here too, you can also delete the pricing file should they need to delete it at some point. In any case, we're just going to go ahead and hit enter and confirm. And notice that it's still 4. So apparently the 4 customers that are assigned to him buy from him quite often. In your case, obviously, you're going to have much more higher numbers here. Okay, we're not quite done. We see these added here, but we still need to build the file. So this basically just sets it up, and now what we need to do is build the file. This actually creates the file on the system to where DAC Express pricing application can download it. And it usually doesn't take too long to do. It should have given us a message there saying that it was building. Let's see what we do here. Yeah. DAC Express price file, build submitted. Not sure why it didn't for the other one. Let's just make sure. I had just recently added it, so maybe that's why. Okay, so that's how you would create a price file to be used with DAC Express pricing. If you do have any questions, email me at lisa@cdrsoftware.com. Thanks.